Hey guys, it's Mike, Narcoleptic Customs. Steven will be in here in just a minute, I'm sure, to help me with this this carburetor rebuild. Basically, we have a buddy that is putting a new carb, or is needing a new carb on his 85 K5 Blazer. So I had this one up in the top of the shelving there, and so I ordered a rebuild kit from National Carburetors, which Steven had used a couple of times for the carbs on the rat rod. So great guys, they actually messed up our shipping on the first round, fixed it immediately, got us our second kit out. So it worked out great. I'm going to use it again on this one. Have no idea what model this carb is. It's a Holley, but I don't know all the specialty numbers and all that kind of crap with it. So we're going to basically tear it down. Got a flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and our rebuild kit. So let's get started. All right, so we went ahead and grabbed some lights to show you guys so you can actually see. Some bit's been on there a minute. All right, so Steven's pulling the bottom off because we can't get these end caps off. We're gonna try and maybe figure that out, see if we can pull the bowl or the, whatever this thing is off. I don't know.
Bottom plate, mount plate.
All right, so just a quick reminder to always support your local firehouse subs. Steven's pouring some gasoline in there in the bucket, and we're going to drop this setup in here because I can't get the end caps off. So we're hoping that'll free up the gaskets and be enough to finish it. All right, do it to it. Oh yeah, perfect. Yeah, fits in there just right. All right, we'll be back momentarily. All right, so I went ahead and cleaned up the edge while we're waiting on the carb block itself. So I'm gonna get this little piece off here and spray down in here, make sure all this is good and clean. What's strange is this one does not sit on the bottom.
Sure, it's in there.
Oh, Steven dry. I'm upside down. So it's like it's all good there. This side moves like it should, except that it's like this little goopy stuff on the bottom, whatever that is sticky. So I'm gonna clean that out too. Spraying into here to try and clean out the line here, make sure that it's getting through. I'm not getting anything into this, so I'm going to pull it apart and see if maybe there's a screen in there that's all dirty. One more time, let me hit record.
Nice one, light on fire.
I do. Get all that out.
Well, it helped it out a lot.
Yeah. It definitely helped clean it up.
Yeah, it did.
It'll look way better.
I like the box.
Yeah. So everybody at home can see. Dude! Ah! What are we gonna do with that jackhammer out of here? I mean,
Let it sit in there a little bit longer. I don't know, dude. Back in the gas.
okay, we'll be back. All right, since we are waiting on that, we'll go ahead and open the kit that I've had for 3 months. 11/28. There's all the info. I'm also going to put that in the comments, or not the comments, but in the description.
Put your head like the way you're thinking. Your white comes straight, then like ice. Your white blood moon breaking out friendship. Your white from mine.
So don't fling it out there.
Yeah.
Little stuff in there.
So this kit is really for a whole wide range of carburetors for Holleys. There's all the models that I guess it'll work with, and then so all these pieces in here. I don't even know what they all do, but we're gonna find out, I guess. So, all right, we'll wait for that to get ready, and we'll come back. All right, so it's been sitting in the bucket for a little while. Dude, what the hell, man?
I don't know, man.
We're gonna give this one more shot. I'm gonna try and tap this razor blade in around it. It's gonna make me mad. That's a little frustrating. What we're basically going to do is throw the middle finger to this thing and basically put it back together and sell it with the kit to rebuild it and let somebody else mess with it. This is why I do LS swaps. Because I've never liked carburetors. So I guess we'll do LS swaps via high swaps. Like that, which would be a great addition to vehicles that are older, that are not fuel injected. All right, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming. And again, fuel injection is mostly always better than carbs, especially when you're rebuilding ones that have been on the shelf for a long time. So anyways, thanks a bunch.